Hi everyone, this is Michelle, some call me Mai, and I am here to introduce my new business with the support of IAWP called WellCare with RealEase. Finally, but all in perfect order, right? It combines my interest as a RealEase guy and WellCare messenger to the world of care, which I love and value, especially as a family and professional caregiver. So last year was actually a heavy-duty year during my time of training with IAWP. Many challenging life changes and trials, as we know and all go through. But all of it, my greatest gift and blessing in creating the clarity and vision with passion that I've needed for my life's work. So my biggest success in life change since working with IAWP is remembering to love me, care for me, and be me with real ease. Yes, and to support others with that very mission. I'm a caregiver, care partner, giver of care, and I found myself not caring for me. I was caring and living for everyone else but me. Yes, I forgot to put the O2 mask on myself, and it nearly wiped me out. I allowed care stress, care guilt, shame, blame for a long time to get the best of me, and I forgot to breathe and actually walk my own talk. I forgot to remember to dance, which I so love, but dance the dance of life, to release and let go of all that didn't serve me. I've been in the storage unit for everyone most of my life, and the storage was getting filled to the woody wood, and my internal being was being cluttered and overflowing, and I just didn't stop to breathe. And I really appreciate easy and simple living, and I even talk about living in a tiny home sometimes. And I think it's important to keep it simple when it comes to caring for others, especially when the stress is already great during the day-to-day task of care, and I witness it enough with caregivers in the field. So if I can relearn and remember who I am and inspire wellness for well-being for my own life as a caregiver, then I can certainly share the inspiration of wellness for well-being for others who care. And that's my heart and soul's mission. I'm keeping it well, real, ease, with all kind of cool ways to share and inspire release because I care. So I thank you, IWP, for caring about me. You gave me some oxygen and gave me the room to breathe, especially as a caregiver going through the stress that I had been going through. So I can't thank you enough, and I deeply appreciate you from my heart and soul.